Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website without a lot of money. A business website is essential to market your products or services to your potential customers. Owning a website might require you to invest your money to buy a domain name and a web host provider that you will pay for a limited time. You can register the domain and hosting provider for a year, and you need to renew your subscription if you want to continue owning that domain where your website is connected. For people who don't have a lot of money to invest in a domain name and a hosting provider, you can still create stunning websites for your business. There are lots of new top-level domains that you may purchase at a very low price compared to common TLDs like .com and .net. Look for cheaper TLDs. The average .com TLD costs $10 per year. If you use generic top-level TLDs, you can get some of them at a cheaper price. You can check out any domain selling sites for the generic TLDs and country code TLDs that they offer at a very low price. Here are some example generic TLDs that you can check out starting from the highest to the lowest price per year. .company for $8. .estate for $7. .technology for $6. .recipes for $4. .info for $3. .tech for $3. .shop for $3. .store for $2. .online for $1.28 and .xyz for $1. And for country code TLDs, you can use these examples. .co for $5, which can be used as an alternative to .com. .me for $4 and can be used for naming personal websites. Where to book a cheap domain. The example TLDs I showed you are from Namecheap. Just go to namecheap.com and choose Domains, then New TLDs. If you scroll down below, you will see a complete list of TLDs, generic and country code TLDs, that you can choose from, and their current price per year and their renewal price. Another site you can check for the prices of their TLDs is uniregistry.com/pricing. Click this so you can view 100 items per page. As you can see in this section, you can filter via renewal fee and you'll be able to sort them starting from the cheapest TLD. If you filter by the registration fee, you'll get cheaper TLDs offered at a very low price and their corresponding renewal fee per year. If you want to check more TLDs per category, you can go to enom.com and choose Domains. Then click Get Started with New Domain Extensions. Click this link to view a list of TLD categories. Here are the categories of TLDs you can explore. The featured TLDs are shown in this section by default. Let's choose one category. Here is a list of available business TLDs you can try. Let's choose the e-com. This TLD is great to be used for the online shopping industry or e-commerce, but it's not yet available, so you have to click Add to Wishlist and log into your account in this site. Let's choose another TLD. Similar to .biz, .business can also be used to promote your online business. As you can see, this TLD is available now. If you try to search this domain name, you'll get the search results. It's offered at $23 per year. Where to find cheap hosting. You can check the site host.promo to search for hosting companies and you can view the promo they offer, their website link, the monthly hosting if it offers free trial, money-back guarantee, and much more. Let's look for the cheapest host provider. As you browse from these lists, you can see that Web Hosting Pad and iPage cost almost $2 per month, but they don't offer a money-back guarantee and they will bill you yearly. Let's go to their site. This is Web Hosting Pad, and here are their different hosting plans. You can choose shared hosting, browse each plan to see what suits your needs. Let's go to iPage.com. This is their web hosting, which is regularly priced at $8, but now it's at $2. Going back to the list, Namecheap costs $1 per month, and you will be billed monthly. Let's go to Namecheap.com, and here's their featured hosting plans. Going back to the list, Hostinger offers the cheapest of them all, which is 80 cents per month. This is Hostinger's web hosting plan. As you can see, the cheapest is their single shared hosting, and it costs $2.15 per month when you renew. After you've purchased your cheap domain name with your chosen TLD, you can install WordPress and you'll be able to create your free website without paying anything else. Let's try to create one. By following this step, you will be able to create a free WordPress site and connect your domain later. Click Get Started, and you may log in using your Google account. Click this button to connect it to your Google account. This is step 1. Choose what kind of site you are building. Options are blog, business, professional, or online store, but online store requires you to purchase it. So let's choose blog. Step 2. Type what your blog is about. This is a preview of your site. Step 3. Give your blog an address. Here you'll see that it can give you suggestions of domains, but this one is free. You can also select this if you haven't purchased a domain yet, but if you already have a domain, you can choose this option and connect your domain from here and transfer it to WordPress.com. Next, choose a plan or start with a free site. Your site has been created. Click this to make your site live and public. Just follow the steps until we get to our dashboard. Click View Site, and you'll be able to view your published website. You can even customize themes when you click Design, then Customize. You'll be able to change the site's identity, add menus, add widgets, and homepage settings. Going back to your dashboard, click Design, then Themes. Here you can choose free themes that you can apply to your site. Choose one and you'll see if it's free or not. Then View Site. Now here's our newly applied theme. That is how you can have a free WordPress site without purchasing a domain name and hosting. But if you have a purchased domain, we do have a separate video on how you can install WordPress, and you may check out the link in the description below. You can also customize your WordPress website by applying themes and plugins that can add more features to your site. You can find tons of free themes and plugins online if you go to wordpress.org. We do have a separate video on how to install plugins on WordPress. You may check out the link in the description below. Creating a website without a lot of money is possible. You don't need to know how to code to create your stunning website. You can buy your domain names with generic TLDs you may choose for your website at a very low cost. Also, there are hosting providers that offer cheap plans that you can get for $2 a month or even less. Simply install WordPress and you'll have a free website that you can customize, install free themes and plugins to add more features to your site without paying anything else. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and it was helpful, don't forget to like us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notify bell to make sure you receive our fresh videos. If you have any questions, you may drop them in the comments text box, and we will get you the answers. You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Feel free to check us out.